Hey yo, the first thing I had is baking flour, and I had all purpose. I had nutmeg, that's a spice. I had salt, sugar, and I used brown sugar. And then I have instant dry yeast. Then I have the whisk. I'll need, these are the preparation items. I need a spoon, tablespoon, teaspoon, a basin or besheni, then a cup, measuring cup, and this is how you're going to do it. I'll put 2 cups of all-purpose baking flour. That's 1 full cup. And another one. And so for sugar, I'm going to put 4 tablespoonfuls. 3 and 4. Then salt, I'm going to put 1 teaspoonful. 1. Next, I'm gonna go in with nutmeg. These we just need teaspoonful. So I'll put 1. This is finished. It's not enough. I have some more. So for this we just need a teaspoonful. Like that. It's just to spice it up. And then we put the dry yeast. This is instant dry yeast. We put some, 1. This is a teaspoonful. And 2. 3. So for this we just need 3 teaspoonfuls. And that's it. That's just about it, guys. And now we're off to preparation. No, sorry, we need milk. You can use water, but for better results, it's good to use milk. Warm milk, not too hot, just warm milk. And then whisk your ingredients away. For milk, I do not have a specific measuring, I just put some until I'm satisfied. I'm going to whisk it until I have a smooth paste. And your paste should look something like this. See? Yeah, that's how it should look. Don't mind this one. She always wants to be part of my videos. And she doesn't leave her sister behind. Hi cuties. This is how our paste looks like, and we are going to leave it for about 1 hour. So we'll cover it using our kitchen tablecloth. You leave it for 1 hour, and after 1 hour we'll see how our work will be. Here we are 1 hour later. It has really risen because of, yeast. So continue kneading, or you just need a little to remove the air. And I think this now is ready for our next process, which is now to deep fry. And yeah, now we are frying them, we are deep frying them. The oil should be really hot, and then when you put them, you choose the size that you want, and then you put them in the oils. You wait for them to deep fry until they look golden brown, and that's how you know they are ready. Yeah, we are continuing. We've already done some, which I'm gonna show you in a short while. Yeah, it should look like this, something like this, and this is how you know they are ready. Here we are. This is the far we've gone, and yeah, let's see how they look like inside. This is how they look like inside. They are ready. They are ready, and as well they were so sweet. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.